Welcome to 8946 Oakmont Road in the beautiful Woodmen Hills community of Falcon, Colorado. Join us for open houses on May 29th from 4 to 6 p.m. and May 31st from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m., hosted by the St. James team, brokered by eXp Realty. This stunning home offers 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and 3,200 square feet, all set on a spacious corner lot with a 3-car garage. Step inside to an open floor plan with granite countertops, plenty of cabinet space, and a kitchen perfect for entertaining. The primary suite features a luxurious 5-piece bath, and the partially finished basement offers room to grow. Whether you're dreaming of a home gym, guest suite, or entertainment space. With plumbing already in place and plenty of square footage, the possibilities are endless for expanding your living space exactly how you need it. Woodmen Hills is packed with amenities: 2 rec centers, indoor and outdoor pools, fitness facilities, basketball courts, sports fields, pickleball courts, and miles of walking trails. Plus, Antler Creek Golf Course runs right through the neighborhood. Don't miss your chance to own a piece of this incredible community. For more information, reach out to Brian or Jina St. James with the St. James team, brokered by eXp Realty, your trusted partners in Colorado real estate.